guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be going through my winter empties. So I only have enough here for one video, so this is going to be a one-parter instead of two. But two things I want to talk about: my hands. I have not washed off my tan yet. I put it on last night and I was too lazy to wash it off this morning, but I put all my energy into putting makeup on and filming this video for you guys. Also, just wearing a sorority long sleeve, like jersey type long sleeve, if you know what I mean. It's got like the writing on the back. Just comfy today. We are in quarantine mode, so this is what you're getting. You're getting the makeup and the empties. So let's get started. Okay, so we usually start with candles, so let's go there. We don't have that many. This is the Nature's Wick Smoked Vanilla. This is a dupe for Bath & Body Works Marshmallow Fireside, but this has like one of those wood wicks that crackles, so love this so much. Perfection. Then we have Marshmallow Fireside. Oh, they are so good. Love this so much. And then, we have two more here. This is a Glade candle. This was just their like apple scent that comes out in the winter time. Just simple. I like to put those on my countertop in the kitchen, just have something going while I'm cooking and stuff like that. And then we have Fresh Balsam by Bath & Body Works. So this will give you that evergreen tree smell. One of the best scents ever. Okay, we have some masks here. So the first one is See Me or Simi, which is the brand from Massage Envy. This is the Nourish Hydrating Biocellulose Sheet Mask. This was pretty good. Might repurchase again. And then I have the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I've never used these before. I recently used them the other day. They were really nice. I liked that they stayed on. They stayed put. They didn't really slide around. And I liked that they were gold, which is really cute. Okay, so let's just get like big stuff out of the way. So the Soap and Glory Flake Away. This is a exfoliator. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like their original pink scent. Then we have the Snow Fairy Shower Gel by Lush, which is like leaking, which is gross. This smells like cotton candy, like a very like sweet candy type scent. Really, really love that. It comes out in the winter time. Then we have a Body Shop Frosted Berries Bubble Bath. This I just got from TJ Maxx. I don't think they carry this anymore. This Frosted Berries is a winter scent for them, but I really liked that. I have a Pacifica Rose Water Makeup Removing Wipe Package. These are the last of my makeup wipes because I now use reusable towels and stuff like that to take my makeup off. But those are pretty good. We have some Loving Tan here, Ultra Dark. Always going through one of these, and I actually am almost done another bottle. It has like 2 pumps left, but I didn't add it in because it's not done and I want to use it. But yeah, love this stuff. So good. Have so many backups of it. This is the New Wash. This is what I use on the ends of my hair to wash it. I don't use conditioner. I just use a more foaming shampoo up here so that I just find that foaming shampoos or lathering ones just help me reach my hair better. Like I know where it's going. I can feel where it is. This doesn't lather, so it's hard for me to know on my scalp where it is, if that makes sense. So I use this on the ends instead of conditioner. Saves me a bunch of time when it comes to washing my hair because I'm not waiting for all this conditioner to rinse out of my hair. And it's healthier for your hair because normal shampoo strips the ends of your hair, which makes you need conditioner. This stuff doesn't have those stripping properties, so you don't have to have conditioner. So this is my hair, conditioner free, still shiny and not tangly, and really nice. I really like it. Okay, lashes. We've got 3 different kinds here. Actually, no, we have 2 different kinds. So we have a big pack and a mini of the Ardell Demi Wispies. These are so good, so good. I purchased another big pack of these. And then of course we have the Ardell Naked Lashes, the 420s. I rave about these in like every single video, so I'm not going to right now, but they're amazing. Okay, I have some more hair care, then we have skincare, and then we have some makeup products in here I'm gonna share with you. So I have a leave-in conditioner and a Moroccan oil hair oil right here. This leave-in conditioner is by Pure Brazilian Miracle. I'm not sure. But these I just used when I was traveling, so I've had these for a while. I'm glad that they are done. Even though I do use the New Wash in my hair, I have so much hair that it does get tangled when I'm brushing it, so I just use a leave-in conditioner to help me brush through it, because I have so much of it. It's prone to get tangled when it's wet. And then I use a hair oil just so that my ends stay nice and healthy. All right, skincare. We've got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Love this stuff so much. I have 2 little guys of this, so I still have it. Smells like really refreshing watermelon, like maybe like a little bit cucumbery as well. It's not like a sweet Jolly Rancher type watermelon. It's like a fresh, watery watermelon. If you know what that smells like, this is it. Then we have a Tatcha Water Cream Mini. I love this moisturizer. This is really good for my skin. It's a gel moisturizer. I have oily skin in my T-zone, and I have drier skin on the outer edges of my face, but I find that this works well for both conditions of my face. If you have oily skin, a gel moisturizer is the way to go, because it still gives you that hydration without making you super, super greasy. And you do need to hydrate your face when you have oily skin, because your face produces oil when it feels like it's lacking oil. If you help your skin and hydrate it, it won't produce as much oil. It seems kind of backwards, but that's the truth and that's how it works. So just a little tip for you there. Speaking of oil, we have the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil. This is one of the best face oils ever. When you're talking from a hydration standpoint, there are a lot of oils out there that actually have more benefits than this. So like the Sunday Riley ones, each one has a different benefit. Like the CEO one has vitamin C in it. The green one, which I don't remember the name right now, that helps with breakouts. This is just a typical oil that's just for hydration, and I think it's one of the most beautiful ones out there for sure. Speaking of Sunday Riley, we have a mini of the Good Genes serum. This is an all-in-one lactic acid treatment, which is so good to the skin. I don't understand what it does to the skin, but it just helps fix everything. Like, God, it's just so good. The more you use it, the better your skin looks, just overall health in general. I love it. It's great. All right, 2 perfumes, and then we have all makeup. Lots of makeup in here, which is cool. So we have 2 of these Nest fragrances, Wisteria Blue and Citrine. Citrine is more of a citrus smell, but not the kind of citrus that I like. It was okay. I think it was a little bit more floral than it was citrus. And then Wisteria Blue is very unique. I don't know how to describe it, but it smells like the first perfume I ever had as a child. It was a Cinderella one from the Disney store, and this smells exactly like it. So I got a rollerball of it just for sentimental reasons. I do like the smell, so I'll wear it, but it really brings me back to a really great place. So love that. Okay, makeup. We have 3 powders in here. The first one is the Too Faced Peach Perfect. I talk about this all the time now. Such a beautiful blurring powder. It does help mattify the face just a little bit. It's not the most mattifying, but it is so blurring. It makes your skin look so healthy and just gorgeous and natural. Love it. And then I have the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. I use this for underneath my eyes. I would say it's good. If you have it, I wouldn't go out and buy it specifically for that. There are other powders just like it, like the RCMA translucent powder, that you get so much of it for around the same price or maybe even cheaper. So I wouldn't go back and purchase this because there are other translucent powders that are cheaper that you get more of it and they work just as well. Okay, last powder is the Milani Translucent Light to Medium 01. Love this for all over the face. It does have a little bit of a color, so it just helps kind of even things out. Very mattifying, which I really enjoy. Two foundations, and they are pretty much the same. They are the It Cosmetics CC Creams in medium. You have the matte, and then you have the original right here. I already bought backups. These guys are great. Two brow products. They are both the same. They are my NYX Micro Brow Pencils in the color Ash Brown. What I'm wearing today, if you want to see how they look on the face, these are really great color payoff, really great staying power. I really like how they lay on my skin, on my brow, because really I don't have that many brow hairs, so this is really just going on my skin and drawing my eyebrows on, and I think it works really well. Okay, we have primers and sprays. So I went through a whole Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I already have a backup. Really good primer to freshen the face up while adding a little bit of tackiness so your foundation sticks real nice. Then we have the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. I think this was pretty nice. I don't know if it worked any better than the Urban Decay All Nighter. I do think it's nice to switch it up every once in a while. Like today I used the Continuous Setting Mist from Morphe, the Jeffree Star one, and it's just nice to kind of switch up products like that. I think my face is starting to get used to All Nighter, so I'm starting to take a break from it. So I would definitely consider purchasing this. And then this is what I use on my nose to help keep my skin matte. This is the Too Faced Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. I wouldn't say it's the most amazing mattifying primer that I have used. The one by Makeup Forever, their step 1 or step 2 primers, they have a mattifying one that really mattifies the skin, but it's not cruelty free. So this is my next best thing. It's not as great, but it helps me. Okay, last 3 products, and then we are done, which is so exciting. We have the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. This wasn't like that memorable to me. I'm pretty sure this was great for the bottom lashes because it was more of a straight brush. Oh my god, look at my hands. Oh, so tragic. I wouldn't buy this. I got it for free, so I used it. And then we have, this is really sad, the Bite Beauty Lush Fruit Lip Gloss in Honey. They don't make these anymore, and this was such a gorgeous nude color with gold shimmer, but it's old and it's gone. So sad. RIP. And then this guy right here. I finished this up in my project pan. It was the Tarte blush in Classic. So you can see, totally panned. Love that. If you want to see my project pan videos, I will link the playlist below. I just talked really fast, but we got this done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. We are so close to 3,000 subscribers, so hit that button and I'll see you later, guys. Bye.